We always hear high rising number of transactions going on in JVC. Also do we hear rentals have gone up to by more than 8%. Well, a lot of buzz going on in JVC. In this video, I'll be discussing in detail all of these numbers and the dark side of JVC which nobody is discussing about. Here are the few concerns of investors and people living in JVC. Number one is the traffic congestion. Number two is there's a lot of construction going around in JVC. And third one is that limited availability of public transport. As we all know, nearest metro station is 45 minutes away, which is of Mall of Emirates. And the fourth one, which we need to discuss in detail, that is demand and supply. JVC was launched in 2005 by the master developer Nakheel, which has already developed Palm Jumeirah and is working on Palm Jebel Ali as well. Initially, it consists of 13 districts and then it was divided into sub-districts as well. For now, it has 350 plus towers, and the total number of residential units have exceeded by more than 21,000 units. As we all know, real estate is all about demand versus supply. And here is the dark reality about JVC that nobody is discussing about. The supply in JVC is increasing at an alarming rate, and we can see through Google Maps there are many construction going around and many vacant plots are still available that are yet to be launched. Now just think about a minute how many units are yet to be handed over in this year and also in the coming years. JVC is all set to receive 25,000 residential units, which are equivalent to 80% of its housing stock. And also if we go through the availability, and I have also seen the property finder figures, the amount of apartments available for sale are around 11,000, which is a huge number as compared to the availability. Which means when you are going to resell your property, the competition will be more high as newer buildings are coming into play, new apartments are being handed over, and also the investor will also want to flip their properties. Now if we go through the numbers in detail, in 2024, if we're talking about sales, the number of transactions made are 17,000 until now. As compared to year 2023, it was 14,000 and total number of increase is around 19%. Other than that, if total sale value has gone up to like 19.5 billion dirhams. Also, if we talk about the rentals in 2024 until now, there have been a transactions of 22,000 in total, as compared to year 2023, which was around almost 20,000. As we see these numbers in terms of rentals, the contracts have increased by 10%. Also, the rental values has also gone up as compared to the last year, around 15%. Other than this, if we talk about now, at the end of 2024, studios are rented at an average of 45 to 50,000. Other than this, one bedroom goes around 55 to 60 or maybe 70,000 if it is a good building. Other than this, if we talk about two bedrooms, it starts from 90,000 and goes up to like 110,000. And definitely it depends on the layout, also the size of the apartment, and most importantly the age of the building. I'm not saying investing in JVC is your worst decision, but it is very vital for you to pick and choose between the high quality products and high-end developers. Now if we can see there's a high rising number, and if we can see there's a lot of demand in JVC, and many more new developers have come into the market, new contractors have come into the market. But the problem is going to start when you're going to resell your apartment. The thing that matters the most is from which developers your apartment is coming from. And also it depends on the maintenance of the building, all the amenities. But if you choose a good developer, it is from a high-end developer, it will be very easy to resell the apartment and you're going to get good appreciation as well. If you're looking for a good ROI or you're an end user, you want to stay here long term, I do suggest you guys to go with the high reputed developers, and here is a list from my side from the top developers that have a good hold in JVC and all over Dubai. Ellington is my number one priority. Bengati is also coming up with a huge number with their modern design and architect. We all know Bengati has a huge reputation, but they have already upgraded their architect and also designs. Other than this, don't miss out on Imtiaz. Imtiaz is also coming in Dubai land. In JVC they have a good inventory. And also let me know if you need any assistance regarding any of the details. For me, it is not always selling off-plan properties and securing commission. I do prefer to provide services to my clients regarding it, if it is regarding pre-sale or if someone want to rent this property or one of my investors wants an early exit. I'm always up. See you next time. Until then, goodbye.